This is going to be what we're allowed to eat now. Eggs and butter. How things change. Very simple omelet, no big deal. I said, you know, I like omelets, everybody does. There's my eggs beaten up. Either 2 really large eggs or 3 Costco eggs, and that's what those are, Costco eggs. And butter, I'm not putting under the description what I'm using because it's right here to look at. That's a tablespoon and a half of butter. That makes that omelet delicious. And the mozzarella, shredded mozzarella in a package, that's 1/3 of a cup. You need a lot. That's melting. And broccoli, what a great combination. There's the broccoli, it's raw. That's a nice big handful of broccoli. Why? Because I want a big omelet. And I'm going to put the broccoli in first, just to saute it for a minute with the butter. And the scallions, that's about 1/3 of a cup, half a cup. You want to put more, you can put more on. Threw it right into the egg. Pepper. Sprinkle some pepper on that. It'll be in the omelet. And put a little bit, I'm going to put a little bit of salt. You put the amount that you like. That's it. Because the mozzarella cheese has salt in it. And that's one thing we don't need, is a lot of salt in our diet. Even though people just love to sprinkle it on. This is going to be a hefty omelet. One more, 10 more seconds on that, and then I'm throwing the eggs in. Why? Because I want it al dente. Pardon me, clearing my throat. Must be the cream or milk I put in my coffee this morning. That's it, I want crunchy. So let's put that in there. High flame. Get all of that delicious egg into there. Now the crucial part. This is a very high flame. And when you see it starting to tilt the pan, you get that egg over there. Maybe one more tilt. What's blocking it is the broccoli. Okay. Now get the cheese in there, right over the broccoli. I remember the first time they showed me how to make when you just go like this and you flip the eggs, and all over my wrist. And now we don't want a high flame because we want the cheese to melt. Put it down to a simmer. This is annoying me, that piece right there. And put a lid on it to help that cheese melt. And that's it. It's not a big deal. It's just a matter of forming the omelet. Have some toast with it, have a toasted bagel. I'm just having this like this. I don't want gluten on my breakfast or any other meal, but sometimes it's hard to stay away. Like I made clam sauce, red clam sauce, and what are you going to eat it with? Pasta. And I don't have any gluten-free pasta in the house, even though they're much better than what they were like 10 years ago. So that's about it on this omelet. I like my eggs not too well done, but if you like them well done, just leaving them there. Pardon me. And then the old tilt the plate and tilt the pan method. Just go like so. Let me shut that flame off before I burn my fingers. Tilt them both together and just, and there you go. You have your, look at the size of that baby. I'm going to really enjoy that right now. Hope you enjoy it.